Hi, I'm SCJ Repair Shop. I have here iPhone 11 stock on recovery mode. According to my client, this issue was previously solved for past 3 months. But after that, the problem persists. Today I will show you how to deal with this kind of issue. First, let's restore the unit and see what is causing the issue. I got here error -78. As you can see based on my restore logs, this error comes out when updating NAND firmware. Meaning, there's a problem on NAND IC. Now, I need to dismantle the unit and take off the motherboard and see if there's any suspicious components has been damaged due to previous repair. If you're new in my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell icon for you to get notified in my future videos. It seems the motherboard is too bruised because I see in every side of it is not normal. Especially the interposer is not combined properly. And this capacitor is not properly soldered. Now, I need to check all the capacitors and resistors around the NAND IC if there's one of them causing the issue. Okay. It seems all components around the NAND IC is all good. Now I need to remove the NAND IC very carefully and nicely. After I remove the NAND IC, I notice the 4 sides of the bonding pads has been scraped too much, so I need to settle those 4 sides before I go any further. Now, I need to check each of the pads to make sure we're in the main source of the problem. Alright. Nothing wrong each of the pads. so I need to replace the NAND IC itself. First, I need to fix this capacitor who has been improperly soldered. For me to fix it, I need to cover up with UV glue to prevent any electrostatic discharge to make a lot of damage into motherboard. Now, let's clean the NAND IC and copy the original data using my programmer. After done copying the original data, prepare the new NAND IC for binding process. As you can see, the new NAND IC is 128 GB, same as the old one. Let's put into my programmer. Format the disk and write the original data were previously saved. After done programming the new NAND IC, reboot and install it. OK. Done installing a new NAND IC. Fix the motherboard into frame. And let's restore and see if we got an error again. Alright. My restore log says, Updating non-firmware is done successfully. I think I got a good result despite the motherboard as being too bruised. Restoration completed. Alright guys, the phone is in hello screen, and have a modem firmware. It means I have done successfully the process. If you guys have more questions about unusual behavior of your unit, please don't hesitate to reach me out. And I do my very best to help you solve your problem. I believe this short video can help you a lot. And we can help each other by leaving me a subscription below. I know that's a very small act but a very huge effect, especially to my channel. And helps me motivate to make a lot of video tutorials for us to grow more and learn more in our repairing industry. This is the end of my video. Hope to see you again. Bye bye.